Hey all, welcome back to installing a pad on this Browning Citori over under shotgun. So if you've never done this before, Pachmayr provides a fairly extensive set of instructions on how to do this. And one of the things that they caution you about is not grinding down through the rubber or plastic to the steel spacer that they have embedded in the pad that's designed to keep that pad flat, and also to give something substantial for those screws to bed against to keep that pad flat against the wood. The problem is they don't give you the dimensions of that steel spacer, so if you're not aware of that, then the odds or the chances of you sanding down are pretty high. Now, Pachmayr is a subsidiary of Lyman Products. So I went onto the Lyman website and found this template that they make available for the different sizes, so both small, medium, and large. And in those templates, they not only give you the location of the holes, which are important, but they also give you the dimension of the spacer. It's a 1-to-1 scale drawing, so you get a really good sense of where the steel spacer is. And they even give you minimum grind dimensions below which they don't want you to go because you'll get too close to that steel spacer. So anyway, with that in hand, I'm able to take the buttstock, overlay it over the template, and then using a pencil trace around the gun stock once I've got that butt sort of centered or positioned on that template where I like it. So that way I have the confidence to know that I'm not going to grind down to that spacer and then waste $55 worth of pad. And the thing I like even better about this is once I've gotten that butt traced onto the template, I'm then going to take a pair of shears and I'm going to cut around the drawing or the trace that I make, and that'll give me the opportunity to position this template directly onto the butt, helping me to locate my holes and the position of the pad when it's done. So let's go do that.